Good morning, my honorable jury council. Today, I stand before you to talk that has stolen my heart. A place that's truly breathtaking and the place that I believe is one of the most beautiful. The place is Toba. Toba is a stunning lake located in the heart of North Sumatra, Indonesia. Toba is not just a lake. It's a natural wonder that will leave you speechless, surrounded by majestic mountain and lush green forest and the crystal clear water that reflect the beauty of nature like a mirror. The scenery breathtaking picturesque village and rolling hills like Situmurun Waterfall, Gibeon Hills, Garden of Eden, Tarabunga, White Sand, and Bulbul. Toba not just about natural beauty, it's also rich in culture. Ulos is one of Batak Toba culture. Ulos has many types. Apart from that, Batak Toba also famous with their cuisine, like Nani Urat, Arsik, Lapet, and Itak Gurgur. It's Toba cuisine. Batak Toba also have a plant that only grow in Toba area, namely Andaliman. Andaliman has a distinctive taste. Batak people is unique and fascinating culture. Start from their traditional houses and their vibrant festival. Batak people so welcome visitor with open arms and share their rich heritage with the world. In conclusion, visiting Toba is like stepping into a paradise. You can take a boat ride across the lake, climb hill, or simply enjoy breathtaking views. Toba is the perfect destination. Whether you are a nature lover, a culture enthusiast, so come and experience the beauty of Toba. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thank you.